Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to organize your photos in Google Photos step by step. This will help you keep your photo library neat, organized, and easy to find. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Photos Google.com. Sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're in Google Photos, click Photos from the left sidebar. Now select the photos you want to organize. After selecting the photos, click the plus icon at the top of the screen. Choose Album from the menu. Click New Album. Enter a name for the album, such as Family, Travel, Work, or Vacation 2026. Click Done or Create. Your photos are now organized into a separate album. To view your albums, click Collections from the left sidebar, then Open Albums. You can create different albums for different events, places, or people. To add more photos to an album, open the album, click Add Photos, select the photos, and click Done. You can also use the search bar at the top to quickly find photos by date, place, object, or person. Organizing your photos into albums makes it much easier to find and share them whenever you need. That's it, you have successfully organized your photos in Google Photos. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Google Photos tutorials. See you in the next video.